Write a short note on compensation to be first charged on assets transferred by the employer. The provision relating to compensation to be first charged on assets transferred by the employer is contained in Section 14A of the Employees Compensation Act 1923. This section protects the right of workmen and their dependents by ensuring that compensation payable by the employer is not defeated through transfer of property. According to Section 14A of the Employees Compensation Act 1923, if an employer transfers his assets before paying compensation that became due prior to the transfer, then the amount of compensation shall become a first charge on the transferred immovable property. This rule applies notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force. The expression first charge means that the compensation amount gets priority over other claims relating to that property. The workman or dependents can recover compensation from the transferred immovable assets before other claims are satisfied. Purpose of the provision. The main object of this section is to protect workmen and their dependents from loss of compensation, to prevent employers from escaping liability by transferring their property, to ensure timely recovery of compensation. Illustration. Suppose an employer becomes liable to pay compensation to an injured worker but transfers his factory building to another person before making payment. In such a case, the compensation amount will remain a first charge on that immovable property under Section 14A of the Employees Compensation Act 1923. Conclusion. Thus, Section 14A of the Employees Compensation Act 1923 safeguards the interest of workmen by giving compensation claim priority over transferred immovable property of the employer.